Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a background picture like to this, like my profile picture, my screen. Yeah, how to do that. So first, you wanna go to the Play Store. Now go to search their Gboard and install it. Once you're done installing it, you have to do some steps. You have to do some steps there to complete it. And once it's down here, open the theme, and then my themes, and you can choose whatever you want here. I'm just going to choose like me right here. But yeah, sorry guys. Okay, right here. And now, when it's done, you can just here it is, and there you go. Yeah, and hope this tutorial helps. And if you want like how to make your screen bigger for Studio Light like me, look, the next tutorial is going to be that if this video gets a lot of views and likes, like 1.3k views or maybe more, or 1,000 likes, yeah, I don't know, or maybe like a lot, that helps like me, like if I do this, like if I do auto rotate, and I will just do that, it cannot flip. It should be like a PC phone, and like this. Like, look, I'm going to go to my avatar, and you see this. Don't worry about the background sound, and yeah, don't worry about the background sound. Yep, don't worry about the background sound. And look, and next tutorial is going to be that, and see you guys on the next video. Hope you subscribe. Bye.